Hello and welcome to the AutoGPT Tutorial Channel, your ultimate guide for unlocking the power of AutoGPT technology. If you're passionate about exploring AI-driven tools and staying informed about the latest AutoGPT updates, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be introducing you to the world of AutoGPT, discussing important topics such as: Number 1, what is AutoGPT? Number 2, how to use AutoGPT. Stay tuned for our future videos, where we'll delve deeper into innovative AutoGPT projects and much more. If you find our content helpful and want to join our thriving community of AI enthusiasts, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's dive into today's video and kickstart your AutoGPT mastery journey. Number 1, what is AutoGPT? AutoGPT is an experimental, open-source Python application that uses GPT-4 to act autonomously. This means that AutoGPT can perform a task with little human intervention, and can self-prompt. It has internet access, long-term and short-term memory management, GPT-4 for text generation and file storage and summarization with GPT 3.5. AutoGPT can be used to create full-fledged projects by iterating on its own prompts and building upon them in each iteration too. It can read and write files, browse the web, review the results of its prompts, and combine them with the prompt history. AutoGPT goes beyond traditional language generation tools by incorporating data from multiple sources, including news articles, scientific research papers, and social media feeds. AutoGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we work. It can be given an AI name such as Recipe Builder and 5 goals that it has to meet. And more. Number 2, how to use AutoGPT. To use AutoGPT, you need to define the AI's role and set clear goals for it. You can then execute tasks by interacting with AutoGPT. To use AutoGPT directly on your device, you need to install AutoGPT, a software that acts as an intermediary between the user and the GPT-4 API. You can also use AutoGPT on iPhone, Android, Mac, and Windows by cloning the repository for AutoGPT using Git Bash. To get started with AutoGPT, you need Python, an OpenAI API key, and a Pinecone API key for. Additionally, you can use the 11 Labs API key for AI-generated speech for. In my next video, I will share you how to install AutoGPT in your local browser and run and complete your task very easy. So subscribe my channel and see next video. Alright, that wraps up our introduction to AutoGPT, covering the essentials of what it is and how to use it effectively. We hope you found this information helpful and are eager to explore more about the world of AutoGPT. Remember, we'll be sharing more videos on cutting-edge AutoGPT projects and other exciting topics in the future. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on our latest content, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining the AutoGPT Tutorial Channel community, you'll be the first to know about new AI-driven tools and innovations. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, keep mastering AutoGPT.